Roll number 44677, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Rhea Pitilla. I am 44 years old. I am married. I have 4 children, 2 girls and 2 boys. The age is 22, 19, 15, and 12. We are 2 siblings, and I am a youngest.
What is your educational attainment?
I am a high school graduate at National Village National High School, Cotabato City.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go work in Hong Kong to support my family needs.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
I work in Saudi Arabia and finished my contract.
For how many years?
2 years contract.
Do you have experience of taking care of an old person?
No, ma'am, but I am willing to learn.
Do you have experience of taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, I'm taking care of babies, taking a bath, feeding, play with them, and changing clothes and diapers.
Can you cook?
Yes, I am. I am cook and baking.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Biryani in Saudi Arabia, cook biryani, kabsa, and making salad every day. In Filipino food, I cook adobo, kare-kare, spaghetti.
How about Chinese food?
I cook Chinese food, steam, and salads.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
As a domestic helper, Honey is responsible and willing to learn, hardworking.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I say sorry and apologize.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
They treat me as a family and good relationship.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Ma'am and Sir, if I choose me to as a domestic helper, I will do my best and duties and responsibilities.